How to link pages together in Notion. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me go it's quick and easy and how you can link pages together in Notion. Well, to link pages together in Notion, all you gotta do is you can simply, for example, I'm creating this page right here, right? Now I want to add in another page. I want to link it right here. What you can do is type in @ and now it'll give you the option to add in date, remind me, year, and you'll be able to see your pages right here, your pages name, right? So you can see I have pages here. So if I select here, suppose I want to I want to link this page here that says new database, then I'll type in @ and I'll type in NEW and it should give me the option here. However, if not, it should also give you the option right here down below, link to page option, and under it you can see your pages. Select it and now you can proceed to link it. So you can see here. This is how you can easily link pages in Notion. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe as well.